Namashivaya. Welcome to the fourth topic of fifth semester. So far we have seen permutation, combination, probability, geometry. Now we are going to see clocks and calendars. First we will see clocks, and then in the later session we will discuss about calendars. A clock is in a shape of a circle. It has three hands: second hand, minute hand, and hour hand. We are least bothered about the second hand. We are bothered only about the minute hand and the hour hand. A clock has 60 divisions called as minute spaces. So the one rotation of a clock or a circle is 360 degree. So 60 divisions, 360 degree divided by 60 divisions. Each division is of a span of 6 degrees. The hour hand covers only 5 minute spaces in an hour, whereas the minute hand covers 60 minute spaces in an hour. That is, 1 minute space is equal to 1 division. 1 minute space is equal to 6 degrees. 1 minute hand covers 60 minute spaces or 360 degrees, or makes one rotation in 1 hour, whereas the hour hand moves only 5 minute spaces movement in 1 hour. So 5 into 6 degrees, the hour hand makes 30 degrees movement in 1 hour. Hence the minute hand moves faster than the hour hand. In 1 hour, the minute hand moves 55 minute spaces more than the hour hand. So hence the time taken by the minute hand to gain x minute spaces to over the hour hand is 60 by 55 into x, where x is the minutes that need to be gained. So when reduced, it gives you 12 by 11 into x minutes. Now there are some specific positions of minute hand and hour hand. What are all the specific positions? The minute hand and hour hand makes an angle of 90 degree, or they make right angles. At what time? The well-known time is 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock. But during other times also they make right angles. How many times they make right angles? In a period of 12 hours, the clock will make 22 right angles. Every hour, the clock will make 2 right angles. That is, one is the minute hand behind the hour hand, and the minute hand will come and meet, that is overlap or coincide with the hour hand. Then after that, it makes another 90 degree movement, another 90 degree angle with the hour hand. So in 1 hour, it makes 2 times, but in 12 hours, it do not make 24 times. The right angles is not formed for 24 times, but only for 22 times. Why? What is the reason for that shortage? Why it's not making 24, only 22? Just to see your clock, wall clock or your wristwatch. Between 2 to 3 o'clock, it makes 1 time. Make a right angle of 1 time. And the next right angle is at 3 o'clock, which is common for 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. So between 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock, it will not make 4 times, but it will make only 3 times. So the 3 o'clock is common for 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. So we cannot count the 3 o'clock right angle for 2 times, only 1 time. So between 2 to 4, only 3 times. Same way between 8 to 10 o'clock in 2 hours, it makes only 3 times. So because that 9 o'clock is common. So there one shortage, and here between 8 to 10 one shortage. So 2 times is less. So only 22, not 24 in 12 hours. So in a day, it makes 44 times. The right angle is made for 44 times. Now there is another one well-known position. What is that? The minute hand and hour hand are in straight line. Straight line is of 2 types. What is that? One is coinciding or overlapping. The best well-known example is 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, the minute hand and hour hand will same way in 12 hours, it makes the coinciding or overlapping. It will not make for 12 hours, but only 12 times, but only for 11 times. What is the reason? Same way. That is between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. It coincides for only one time at 12 p.m. and between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. it coincides only for one time at 12 a.m. So only 22 times in 24 hours. So the summary of that is 44 times. The right angles is made for 44 times in a day, and same way coinciding or overlapping is made for 22 times in a day. And what is meant by opposite direction? Extreme edges. The minute hand and hour hand should make a straight line, that is 180 degree. The best well-known example is 6 o'clock. So that is also made for 22 times in a day. So if they are asking generally how many times the minute hand and hour hand are in straight line, means 22 plus 22, 44 times in a day. Now relative velocity. Just in 1 minute, the minute hand covers 6 degrees and the hour hand covers only half degree. Therefore the relative velocity is 5.5 degrees. Now, how to calculate the angle between the hands of the clock? So the formula is phi. The angle is equal to 11 by 2m minus 30h when A is greater than B. 30h minus 11 by 2m when A is less than B. So simple, what is that? The angle is nothing but the difference between 11 by 2m and 30h is the angle. Now the angle should be a positive one. The difference should be the positive one. So that is what is the formula. Now the points to remember. What we have discussed so far is given as a summary here. Too fast and too slow. What is meant by that? If a watch is showing 10 minutes less, it's a slow watch. And if the watch is showing 10 minutes fast, it's a fast watch. Now worked out examples. Find the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand of the clock when the time is 3:25. So first we will go by the normal method and then we will use the formula so that you get familiarized with how the formula works. So the angle traced by, so now starting from 12 o'clock, that is what is the zero position. The angles traced by the hour hand in 3 hours 25 minutes is 102.5 degree, and angle traced by the minute hand in 25 minutes is 150 degree. Now the difference is 47.5 degree. Now using the formula, you apply 11 by 2 into 25, difference 30 into 3, that is, you will get 47.5 degree. Both the angles are same. So this is how, in short, by using the formula, you can get the angle between the minute hand and hour hand. So here how to apply M and H. M is minutes and H is hours. So here M is 3 and H is 3 and M is 25. Applying the formula, you will get as 47.5 degrees. What is the angle between the minute hand and hour hand of a clock at 5 hours 40 minutes? So now H is 5 and minutes is 40. So now applying the formula, you get 70 degrees. Third example, find the time between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock at which a minute hand and hour hand make an angle with each other. angle of 60 degree with each other. Now applying the formula, here they have given the angle. So the left hand side angle is equal to 60, and they have given the hour is 3 o'clock, because between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock means H is what? 3, and it's going to happen between 3:59 something. So now the H is fixed, that is 3, and we need to find out only the minute. Applying the formula, so now minute is 27 3 by 11 minutes past 3 o'clock. So at 3 o'clock 27 3 by 11 minutes, the minute hand and hour hand will make an angle of 60 degree. Thank you.